Model, 2008 Vauxhall Movano 2.5 CDTI, 100, long wheelbase, 3.5 T MOT failure excellent runner ideal camper. Body, yellow, green, panel van. Mileage, 150,147. Engine, 2,464 cc G9u, 74 kW. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Front passenger wheel bearing is very noisy, will need replacing immediately. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 3 former keepers, EU status, Euro 4. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively,